What's good? What's good? What's good? Kingsley Joshua Trey, Lord himself, come to you live. I got my blue light glasses on today, so it protects my eyes from, blue light from the screen. So let's get into it. I really don't need glasses, but, let's get into it. All right. Um, I'm just catching up to the market now. I just opened up my charts. I want to do this raw in front of you guys. Um, but anyway, let's get this way count up so I can show you exactly where that is. Here we are. So these are the pending trades that we got going on right now. Give you a little trade history on where we at on the account today. Let's do this. Well, today I didn't do nothing. Let's do this week. Do Sunday to today. So these are the trades for the week right here. So we won around $50 there, around $50 there. This was a little error trade, so we got out quick. But counting sitting at $5,961.71 live account. And then here we are pending orders: GBP, JPY, AUD, USD, and Euro JPY. So we'll just go over a little bit what we're doing. So on this pair, where we started off at is NZD CAD, right? And we broke structure up. I did had a signal here because I was doing a thing. So we had that break of structure up. So this break of structure happened first. Even if let me not do the zoom that thing yet. It broke structure. This is the highest point. It came all the way down and it smacked this area before going back up to the 23. So this would be invalid for us. And then it broke structure. So it broke structure and then now it'll be in down structure right now currently with this thing up here. And I already have my stop and my thing set. So the first setup, the first break was it just broke structure again and there was no foul, no play. And the high is 612 here. So yeah, we got 612. So it's in down structure, but we're looking for a break of structure up. Waiting for a break of structure up on the 1 hour, all line, and then I'll set the trap and I'll do $25 risk to make $50 on this trade on CAD, right? And reason why I have one mini win there, two mini wins there, 3, 4, and then the big win. So when I have 4 of those in a row, that's when I want to go $25 risk to make 50, and so on, so on. If we lose, but yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Easy peasy. This one waiting for a 4-hour break of structure. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. We made these highs. No new 2 count formation. So this is still the break of structure point, and we're waiting for a 4-hour break of structure, and then we'll risk $100 to make $50. But price is all the way up here, and then the break structure point is over here. So this is now which turned into a couple days now of this thing not breaking structure. So no play on this thing, and that's why I trade multiple pairs. So if I have this case, there's something going on in another pair, and this works on everything. So this is Euro USD, and we are still chilling. Same thing here, not doing much. We're chilling out, and we're waiting for a 4 hour break of structure. So we're looking to we're looking to go align with everything, see what happens next. But I'm not looking to take any action because I already got my pattern ready. Big win, two mini wins. That's my pattern. So I need to wait for two more of these or another one of these to take action. But until then, we chilling. That's USD CAD. AUD USD, different story. We have something brewing here where we are risking $25 to make $50. We're still in play. We didn't hit this line yet. This is our entry right here, and this is our stop loss, and this is our TP, right? But we gotta wait for price to get up there. Price has chance over here. It went up, but then hit the 23 point negative. Uh, yeah, negative 27, right? It came right back down. So we gotta wait, see if it's still be valid or not. And if it's not valid, we'll delete. If this thing hits, right, we'll delete. And the reason why we're taking this trade like that is one mini win there, two mini wins there. Remember, these are irrelevance because it didn't hit the negative 27. And then two more mini wins, so that's four. So there's a big win, and then we have four of those. So now we can risk the right way. Moving on, GBP USD, waiting for a 4 hour break of structure. So let's go to the 4 hour chart, and we're waiting for a 4 hour break of structure. This is the highest point. Last two confirmation, I was bearish. It was right over here, and this is the lowest point. So still, we gotta wait for price to come all the way down to here. So unless it start come up, and then we have a new two confirmation here, or well, even here, or here, that we bump into, and this will be the lowest point. But till then, we are still stagnant on GBP USD. We ain't doing nothing but waiting. Same thing here. Well, this is a little different story as well, similar to AUD or USD. We are looking for, but we are looking to do this the wrong way, risking $200 to make $100 on this trade. But as you can see here, we have not hit that stop out point yet. So as soon as we hit it, we came close to here, but it did not hit. But as soon as we hit it, this is not, that trade would be irrelevant, and then you catch it right back up to the market, which the market structure is still point A, point B, because we did not have no breakthrough here and no breakthrough here. So we're still in this down structure. So if this thing gets stopped out, we're still in the down structure. We just gotta wait for the structure to either continue or break structure again, and then we gotta wait for another break of structure and then go down. But if we continue, we don't have to wait for that break of structure. Oh yeah, if you guys want to know more of what I'm saying right now, you gotta hit me up in my one-on-one Zoom call course. $700 one-time fee. You got me for mentorship. I teach you. We get on Zoom and I actually teach you step by step the strategy. Here on this YouTube channel, I know I'm doing on this series, I'm just showing you my strategy, and I'm just taking trades. I'm giving the bare minimum. I'll tell you that right now. But if you're catching what I've been doing the last couple of videos, you can come on, You just gotta be smart. Listen, you can catch on. This thing we're waiting for a 1 hour break of structure. It happened here because this was the lowest point and it came up traveling. Remember, I'm catching up to the market. So I'm saying like this stuff is irrelevant. So this would be point A, point B. This thing never came up. So it's not irrelevant. Same similar to that one. The other one, the other NZD CAD. This is NZD USD. And this high is 323. And so it didn't cross yet. Lowest down here. We're still in down structure, waiting for a structure break structure up. Remember, I got my one mini win, two mini win, and then big win. Got that pattern, so I'm good. Not taking this trade. I'm waiting for four more of these, two more of these, or the big win. Discipline is key. So we're just chilling out on NZD USD. Now GBP JPY, we're about to be in this trade, and we're risking $200 to make $100 from this trade. And we're looking to get entered here, and then basically, so it'll look like enter here, and we're looking to get out there, right? But let's see if we get that. Let's see if we get that. But this is that pending order right here. So we're chilling. We were about to get, well, it could be this candle or the next couple candles for entry very soon. Next, Euro JPY. Also another trade that we're looking to take. Now we have two big wins back to back together. So the probabilities on this one not being that big winner is higher, a lot higher. Now I'm risking $200 to make $100 on this trade, right? So this is most likely to win, but hey, we could have that possible chance that we get three of them in a row, and it's all good. That next one is all be the big winner. That's simple. But probabilities is in our favor on this one. Really confident on this one. Um, Next, USD JPY. We broke structure. So this is my 4-hour structure strategy, which we nailed it. And now I'm up like 5.8% on that 25K challenge. So now this thing broke. This was the point A, point B, right over here. Yeah, let me zoom in everything for you guys too, so you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now, I'm not going based off of what's happening right now, right? Because right now, obviously, the 1-hour structure would be here, right? That's what's happening now. But I'm saying what happened first. What happened first after this break? What candle broke this candle? Boom, this one. This is the last two confirmation. This is the lowest point. Boom. Point A, point B, right? It was here. Before this candle popped up. And then obviously we didn't hit a 23.6 retracement on the next candle. We violated this area. So what we're doing, impulsing. So this impulse happens. We wait for this candle to finish. I always wait for this candle to finish. This candle finishes. We don't, next candle hits the 23. We don't surpass, right? This area. So what we got? We have our, this is the setup. And that's how you always can find the setup. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna take the TP to the 0.27 to the 23.6. And I want to measure it. And what's that measurement? 32 pips. It'd be 32.1. So 32.1 pips. Boom. Now I have that safety stop loss zone, right? So if price ever goes down to here before touching here, I'm no longer interested up here. Now I'm not, and I'll be interested. Remember, I have my pattern already. This is just setting it up. I'm not taking this trade. But now, what you all do now? Extend this to this, and voila, we have our setup. Now you're not even looking at structure right now. You're just following the setup, right? And now I'm paying attention to if this area hits here and then comes down to the 0 point. Okay, that's why I squinched this up, and it's a mini win that we skipped. But if price goes up to here without touching the 0 point after it hits the 27 and then it continues going up, then we have a big win. And then we can take reaction off of there. But right now, I'm looking for I'm looking for two more of these or the big win. So let's see what we get here on this setup. And that's why I print out the setups that I don't take. I print them out anyway because I want to see the probabilities. And that's the key factor to this whole strategy. Probabilities is a must in your trading strategy, man. It's a must. So waiting for a 4-hour structure to break, go to the 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour structure. It will break soon. The price is, lollygagging. But yeah, this is Bitcoin. We've been doing a bunch of just 4-hour continuations down. It's time for it to break structure. Yep. Definitely time for it to break structure. Because it's been very disrespectful. Let's see. CHF We're chilling out, waiting for a 1-hour break of structure. And I mean the 1 hour, so I gotta go back to the 1-hour chart. Of course, we were on the 4-hour. That's why it looked a little weird there. Because if you stay on the 4-hour, you can see there's no two count formation here. This is not the low and everything like that. But if you go on the 1 hour, which is what it says there, 1 hour break of structure, this is clearly 1 hour in a down structure because we broke this two count formation zone, broke it, and we're in down structure, and now we just gotta wait for a structure to break back up again, which is about to do. Then after it breaks structure, this will be the last two count formation, and this will be our break structure point, and we follow along suit after that. But we're chilling out, not doing anything on CHF And it brings me back to NZD CAD, where we started. So that's our pairs. That's exactly what we're doing. We're just waiting. Just flicker through. But yeah. So I'm waiting for these setups. And then we're basically looking to add two more. And then we'll see what we get. All right. But that's it for this video. Don't know what number this is, but I'll find out and I'll put it on the title. But deuces, until next time, say trade well, man. Trade Lord out.